We have a rainbow here, right outside the Paddock Malls. Paddock Mall. Hey here, JCPenney, it's still open. Although the back side of it looked like it was out of commission. All right, so I'm going to go in here. I've never checked this place out. Okay. We've got a closed storefront here. So, other jewelry, barber shop. Directory. There's a JCPenney. That's kind of a small space here. That shoe store. I don't need any new shoes right now. A movie store. I might go in there and check it out. Oh, comic books 2 for $5. I wonder if they have any VHS. I'd like to find a VHS store. Friday the 13th, $25. There's another one. So it's buy one, get one free. Wow. And we get this Batman Season 2, Part 1. $25. It's hopeless getting this on TV unless it's on MeTV, and I don't know. I gotta be in front of MeTV to see it. Alright, I got that. Yes, this is this part here. Spencer's. It's an empty storefront here. GameStop. Right, so this area opens up over here. Okay. Jewelry store. It's at Macy's. Oh yeah, there's a food court. Wow, what's going on down here? Perfume collection, there we go. All these scents. Keep smelling perfume all the time in cologne. I'm allergic to it, so it's really creep up on me. I'm running out of time on the video, but this is the other side. It keeps going down. This side over here, Belk. So the video will be on 3 minutes, so it's going to be a regular video, not a short. And we go longer than 3 minutes and get it distributed. So, okay, this is a fitness runner superstore over here in the Belk. These malls aren't doing well, but anyways, oh yeah, there's one more section on the right here. So they have a ring sizing sign that's up. All the romantics out there. Yeah, so yeah, this is the other section. So it says Paddock Market there. Got today's mail. So there's a prom coming up or a wedding. There's some cool clothing here. And here's the ring sizing. Jewelry repairs. Well, I guess if you buy something too that doesn't fit on eBay or a estate sale or something too, that would come in handy. Ring sizing. There's a spa for your fingers as well. You're not doing ring sizing, then get your nails done. down on your toes. So here's the Paddock Market. What is this thing? Like I'm in Vegas. A little bit of tomorrow's history here. So, September 3rd, 6 to 9. We got line dancing here, bull rides, drink specials. What is going on in this place? Check it out. Wow. It's all happening here. This is like a new market in the modern age. Oh, there's a gaming place, I think. Really try not to phone people. But the camera's going up and down most of the time. It's like something I see in LA. Yeah, it's market. Yeah, like in LA we had Chinatown, we had lots of cool places like this. Well, hopefully this works out for them. It's probably a blueprint for the future. Have like kiosk setups like this. People have their own space. It's glassed in. It's a bookstore. Maybe a religious bookstore. Yep, looks like this. And clearance in here. I don't know what's on clearance. Doesn't look like anything I'm going to be buying. Okay, well, yeah, it's nothing for me, but it's probably something good for someone. Yeah, maybe this is like a blueprint for the future here. I haven't seen one of these yet. Look, you can take martial arts here. You got swords. People are waving swords. Got a little Cobra Kai going on. Wow. Yeah, in these towns you see these old buildings and they'll convert them into a space that has a bunch of places where people sit and shop. Grab a different bite to eat. There's a whole other section. Crafts, stuff like that. But this is so big and wide, and it's in a mall. And with all the malls going down, if this works, this is probably going to be something that we see more of. I can smell the barbecue out of this place. I think that's going to be a good barbecue on there. Smell it. So somebody else coming in here. Looks like it's going to be like a restaurant. Or maybe an arcade. Some gaming machines over to the side. Hey, this place looks like a fiesta. Now, if I saw that earlier, I would have eaten that. Man, you don't see prices like that anymore. $2 for street tacos. Most of the time it's like $20 when you go out. You get 3 of them. Love the decor. And oh man, I wish this was close to where I live. I'd definitely pop in there and eat. That price. I miss cheap tacos. In LA, you got them every night. Every day, you're out doing an errand, having lunch. Oh, this is a nice mural here. Anyways, well, it's time to head back. At least I got this. I got the Batman for $25, season 1, part 1. Oh, that's the Paddock Mall. Hope you enjoyed it.